Ever feel like your finances are a tangled mess? Receipts stuffed in your wallet, bank statements scattered everywhere, and that nagging feeling you're spending more than you realize? We've all been there. That's where budgeting apps like Mint come in, promising a one-stop shop for managing your money. But before you hand over your login credentials, a crucial question arises: is Mint trustworthy? This question keeps many people up at night. After all, you're entrusting Mint with some of your most sensitive information: bank account details, credit card numbers, investment holdings. A security breach could be devastating. So, let's dive deep and see if Mint deserves your financial trust. Security measures: Fort Knox or cardboard box. Mint, owned by the financial giant Intuit, assures users their data is protected with top-notch security features. Here's what they boast about. Encryption: industry-standard encryption scrambles your data, making it gibberish to anyone who shouldn't see it. Think of it like a secret code only authorized parties can crack. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. This adds a second layer of security beyond your password. Imagine a fingerprint scan or a code sent to your phone, an extra hurdle for potential hackers. Security scans: Mint constantly scans for vulnerabilities in their system, plugging any holes before they can be exploited. It's like having a team of digital security guards constantly on patrol. But are these features enough? Security breaches happen, even to big companies. Here's where some concerns creep in. Third-party access: Mint connects to your financial institutions, which means sharing your login information with them. While Mint uses secure connections, a compromise at your bank could still expose your data. Data aggregation: Mint gathers all your financial info in one place. While convenient, it also creates a single target for attackers. It's like keeping all your eggs in one basket. The privacy conundrum: friend or foe? Security is just one piece of the puzzle. We also need to consider privacy. Here's what Mint claims. Limited data sharing: they say they only use your data to provide their services and won't sell it to third parties. That's good news, but targeted advertising: Mint is a free service, and free often comes with a catch. They might use your anonymized data to show you targeted ads. It's not a direct privacy violation, but for some, the feeling of being constantly tracked can be unsettling. The verdict: Mint or don't Mint. So, is Mint trustworthy? There's no simple answer. Mint offers robust security features, but data breaches are always a possibility. They claim limited data sharing, but targeted advertising raises privacy concerns. Here's what you can do to make an informed decision. Research alternatives, explore other budgeting apps. Some prioritize security, while others offer unique features. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. Scrutinize permissions. Before linking any account with Mint, understand what permissions you're granting. Give them only the minimum access they need. Be vigilant. Monitor your accounts regularly for suspicious activity. Don't hesitate to contact Mint or your financial institutions if you see anything amiss. Ultimately, the decision to trust Mint with your financial data rests with you. Weigh the risks and benefits carefully. Remember, financial security is a marathon, not a sprint. By staying informed and taking precautions, you can take control of your finances and breathe a little easier. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.